So some people tend to be more introvert. Introversion and extroversion are a sliding scale. Now, we do definitely have preferences. Some of us are more introvert, some of us are more extrovert, but some of us are both somewhere in the middle. And some of us are omniverts, which means that you find it difficult to regulate between being introverted and extroverted. So it's a good idea to do some psychometric profiling and find out where you are, which is what I do with many of my clients to help them identify their style and make any changes and adaptations that they need to. Now, sometimes if you're a very introverted personality type, we can have a tendency to want to work things out internally rather than expressing or communicating what's on our mind. And that's where coaching, mentoring, having a good relationship with your manager or a group at work is really, really important, because otherwise that can lead to overthinking, negative self-talk, stress, belittling ourselves, and it does definitely need addressing. It can even lead to anxiety and really stymie our ability to grow, to shine. And it's a real internal struggle and can lead to actually quite a detrimental effect on our mental health and our self-confidence. So if you are someone that's introvert and you do find it difficult to speak about these things, don't worry. I work with lots of people that are introverted and just need someone to really coax them and understand them, to go at their pace in terms of expressing what's on their mind. Because once it's expressed or once it's written down, we can then look at it and deal with it. So if you need some help with imposter syndrome, then get in touch.